In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent text in Affinity. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a couple of moments and get exactly the look you want. The goal is to make your text see-through, so the background image, color, or design beneath it can subtly show through. This is perfect for overlays, banners, or any layout where the text needs to blend elegantly into the design without overpowering it. First, click the text. You want to make sure you're actually selecting the text object itself, not just entering typing mode. If your cursor is blinking inside the letters, press Escape or click once outside and then click the text again so you see a bounding box around the text. A quick visual check is to glance at the Layers panel on the right. The active text layer should be highlighted. If clicking directly on the canvas is tricky, you can also click that text layer in the panel to confirm it's selected. Whether it's artistic text or a text frame, the process is the same. You're simply telling Affinity, this is the object I want to adjust. Now, on the right side, adjust the opacity. Look to the Layers panel and find the opacity control near the top. Drag the slider to the left to reduce opacity and make the text more transparent. As you lower the value, you'll see more of the background come through, giving that soft, blended look. Around 50% gives a gentle fade, while something like 20 to 30% is very subtle. At 0%, the text becomes fully invisible. At 100%, it's fully solid. You can also type a precise value if you want a consistent setting across multiple text elements. Keep in mind, this control affects the entire text object, including its fill, stroke, and any effects it might have. It's a non-destructive change, so you can always revisit the slider later and fine-tune the transparency as your design evolves. A couple of quick pointers while you adjust. If the look feels washed out, raise the opacity slightly until the letters remain readable over your background. High contrast backgrounds may require a higher opacity. Softer backgrounds can handle more transparency. If nothing seems to change when you move the slider, double check that the correct text layer is selected in the panel. And that's it. Click the text to select it, then adjust the opacity on the right to dial in the perfect level of transparency. With this simple technique, you can create polished, professional text treatments that harmonize beautifully with any design.